Good morning. Today we are moving to the topic India's foreign policy. Why we are going to learn this India's foreign policy means in order to identify the basic principles of India's foreign policy and to explain the meaning and as well as the significance of non-alignment, as well as the analyze the stages of foreign policy. It also explains the importance of foreign policy as well as recognize and the difference between domestic policy and foreign policy. Today we are going to discuss only three topics, that is introductions and then constitutions of India as well as the main objectives of foreign policy. First we are moving to the introductions. What is mean by foreign policy? It defined as a country's policies it created, formed and formulated also the same meaning, created in order to safeguard and to promote country's national interest within the country or among different countries. It enabled to secure the best interest of the people, territory means region, and economy of the country. So what does mean by foreign policy means? It created in order to safeguard and promote national interest within the country or among the different countries, as well as it enabled to secure the best interest of the people as well as region and economy of the country. Now we are moving to the second topic, constitutions of India. It promotes international peace and security. It maintains honorable relations between nations. It also develops the respect for international law and international organization. It also encourages the settlement of international disputes. Disputes means conflicts by arbitration. Arbitration means it is a trust in order to settle all the conflicts. Now we are moving to the third topic, main objectives of foreign policy. National security. It also develops the national prosperity. Prosperity means flourish. And it also increases the number of friendly nations. And it enables to achieve world peace and enable to achieve world peace and enable every nation to peacefully coexist. And then final is economy development. So today we have discussed only three topics, that is introductions, what is mean by foreign policy, and then constitutions of India, and then main objectives of foreign policy. Thank you.